Welcome everyone. So let's just jump right into this explainer and learn how to completely transform your AI. We're going to take it from a basic, everyday text generator and turn it into a fully customized, multidisciplinary genius AI dream team. If you've ever felt like your AI is just giving you average results, you are in exactly the right place.
Now, I gotta start with a question you've probably asked yourself at some point. Why is their AI smarter than mine? You see other people getting these absolute genius-level results, saving hours of work, while you might be hitting a plateau, getting generic, boring, or just slightly off-base outputs from the exact same AI tool. Well, the secret isn't that they have a special version of the software. The secret is all in the initial setup.
Here's our roadmap for today. We'll be hitting AI's true power, Gemini's initial settings, creating a company textbook, building an AI team, making AIs hold a meeting, and finally, safe operation.
Okay, kicking things off with Section 1, AI's true power, and moving beyond the basics. Right now, there's a good chance you're treating your AI like a doctor at a tiny town clinic. You know, they're great for a cold or a sprained ankle, doing a little bit of everything okay, but man, if you need specialized surgery, you need a massive general hospital packed with dedicated specialists. We really need to stop treating AI like that town doctor and start building out our hospital. And to do this, we're going to focus on Google's Gemini. Its real superpower is its direct connection to your home turf. Think of it like a master chef who has instant access to the absolute ultimate pantry, the entire Google Workspace ecosystem. Docs, Gmail, Drive, Sheets, the whole shebang. It can generate text, images, and video exactly where you're already working, saving you from that endless copy and paste nightmare. Moving right along to Section 2, Gemini's initial settings and building the ultimate right-hand assistant. So, the source material actually lays out 3 exact steps to maximize your AI. First up, custom instructions, basically telling Gemini who you are. Second is workspace integration, allowing it to securely pull context right from your Docs and Gmail. And third is activity tracking. This is basically your save button. Turning it on gives Gemini long-term memory, so you aren't repeating yourself every single day.
And there's a brilliant pro tip for these instructions. You can literally program Gemini to just skip all that overly polite AI fluff. Just use a prompt exactly like this. No sugarcoating. Give me honest feedback and push back on my ideas. Boom. You stop getting a yes man and you gain a real thought partner who will actively tell you if your strategy has some holes in it.
That brings us to Section 3, creating a company textbook, your single source of truth.
To really wrap our heads around this, let's look at a scenario from our source material, launching AI Craft Cola. Imagine you're a solopreneur launching this new, spicy, adult-targeted craft cola. You've got to write sales pitches for premium cafes, draft up marketing plans, figure out the accounting, the profit margins. It's a lot. You physically can't do it alone. You desperately need a team, but hey, you don't have the budget to hire one just yet. So to train your AI to help with this, you have to create a master textbook. Basically, you put all your company context, your rules, and past decisions into one single Google Drive folder. If you scatter these files all over the place, the AI is going to get confused. One folder gives it that single source of truth. All right, on to Section 4, how to build an AI team or hiring your specialized digital employees.
To pull this off, we're looking at an incredible tool in the Google ecosystem called NotebookLM. Now, regular AI searches the whole internet and occasionally just makes things up, hallucinations. But NotebookLM is a completely different beast. It only reads the specific documents you give it. It gives you highly accurate answers based strictly on your data, and get this, it even gives you citations pointing to exactly where in your documents it found the answer. It's a total game changer.
Building your team in NotebookLM comes down to 3 steps. First, create one separate notebook for each role. So definitely keep your accountant separate from your marketer. Second, add that Drive textbook you made as the knowledge source. And third, set a specific persona to give it a strict job description. For example, you could give it a persona exactly like this. You are the marketing director for AI Craft Cola. Focus on premium cafes. By doing that, your AI magically transforms from a generic encyclopedia into a highly dedicated, proactive employee. It stops giving you cookie-cutter marketing advice and actually starts making targeted, specific decisions for your unique brand. Now for Section 5, making AIs hold a meeting. This is absolutely the ultimate boss move.
Thanks to some recent updates, you can actually link Gemini and NotebookLM together. You get to merge Gemini's amazing conversational and creative power with the deep specialized knowledge of your employee notebooks. You just call upon them in the Gemini chat using the plus button. You're essentially inviting them into the conference room.
Just imagine typing this prompt. Let's have a 3-person meeting about the AI Craft Cola launch, marketing, strategy, and accounting. Share your opinions. You hit enter, and you literally sit back and watch your AI marketing director suggest a high-end cafe rollout, your AI strategy expert debate the pricing, and your AI accountant jump in to warn everyone about the profit margins of giving away free samples. It's wild, literally like having a corporate boardroom right inside your laptop.
And here is the absolute secret to scaling this: the AI growth loop. So, you host the AI meeting, you review their debate, and finalize the best strategies. Then, you save those brilliant new conclusions right back into your main Google Drive textbook. So the next time you call a meeting, your AI team reads that updated textbook. They remember past decisions. Your digital team just gets exponentially smarter and more aligned with your vision every single week. Finally, wrapping up with Section 6, safe operation and reminders, security, pricing, and taking that first step.
First up, let's talk access. While you can totally test this entire concept out for free, maybe make one employee and just see how it feels, relying on it daily is going to require an upgrade. To unlock higher limits, shared team drives, and custom features like gems for saving these personas, you'll want to check out a Google Workspace Standard plan for businesses or an AI Pro plan if you're flying solo. And we absolutely have to talk about security. Even though Google states workspace data isn't used to train public models, you still got to be cautious. The source points out a recent incident where a university app suffered a disastrous data leak just because of a poor AI configuration. So please, never upload sensitive data without totally understanding the privacy settings first.
But hey, do not let that deter you from getting started. It takes exactly 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes to pop into Gemini, set up your custom instructions, and flip on that activity tracking. That tiny little time investment is going to create a massive, immediate difference in the quality of the output you get starting today.
The gap between folks who just use AI as a basic party trick and those who build structured, customized AI teams is widening so fast. You now have the exact blueprint to build a genius AI dream team tailored specifically to you. So I'll leave you with this. Your AI room is waiting. Who's going to be your first digital hire?